Let's be honest, the moment people hear the words free gifts, they assume one thing. I'm probably going to end up spending way more than I planned. I thought the exact same thing. So instead of chasing every secret method online, I asked myself a different question. How can I get the best value without wasting money? At first, I made the same mistake most people make. I opened Temu, started adding random products, tried a few coupon codes I found online, and hoped everything would magically work out. It didn't. The discounts were average and I wasn't getting the kind of offers everyone was talking about. That's when I changed my approach. Instead of shopping first, I started with the coupon code on the screen. Before browsing, before adding anything to my cart, before making any decisions. The difference wasn't that everything suddenly became free. The difference was that I had better options from the very beginning. I started seeing larger coupon bundles, stronger discount offers, extra reward opportunities, and a much more active free gift section. That changed the way I shopped. Instead of buying extra things just because they looked like a good deal, I focused on the offers that actually gave me the most value. Ironically, I ended up spending less, not more. To make sure it wasn't a coincidence, I repeated the comparison. Random codes one day, the code on the screen the next. Same account, similar products. The code on the screen consistently gave me the stronger overall experience. Now let's keep this realistic. No coupon code can guarantee identical rewards for every account. Temu updates its promotions regularly and offers can vary. But if your goal is to enjoy the Temu FREE Gift experience without overspending, my biggest lesson is simple. Don't rush into shopping. Start with a code that's consistently delivered better coupon bundles and reward opportunities in real comparisons. For me, that's the code on the screen, the bottom line. Getting more value isn't about buying more, it's about starting smarter. That's the one habit that completely changed my Temu experience in 2026. Before you buy anything, activate the code on the screen first, then come back and tell me, did it help you unlock better coupon bundles and free gift offers without spending more than you planned?